So to fold up this Dahon Folding e-bike, first I put it in low gear to get the derailleur at its lowest point. Then you move the handlebar to the correct folding position with that little red dot. So line up that red dot right there with the top of the tube so it'll fold properly. Lift up the quick release on the top of the handlebars like that and fold the brake levers down and then lock it back into place. And then turn the seat backwards and push it all the way down at the bottom. It's going to act kind of like a foot for the bike. And then flip the seat all the way down and backwards like that. And then kick up the kickstand, fold down the folding pedals. That's how they fold. That's how they unfold. And then loosen the frame splitting latch. It's got a little safety on it that you need to lift up. So you lift that up and use that to split the frame. And then when you put it back together, you got to make sure you put that safety back on like that so it doesn't split in half while you're riding it. Same thing on the front. You release the handlebar release and lower the handlebars down like that. So there's a little safety on there, and then you pull that lever down and the handlebars will come down. And then split it in half, and the magnet in the middle is going to hold the two sides together, that little magnet, and then you are done. Now, let's see how long it takes me to put it back together with minimal edits. So you open it up, lock the frame splitter into place, put the kickstand down, turn the seat around forwards, put it up to your desired height, and then lift up the handlebars, lock them into place, make sure you put the safety on, and then rotate the handlebars forward, set it to your desired riding height so that it's fitting you properly, and then click the pedals out and you are finished.